So we decided to do a time trial right here in our own facilities. We installed half the room using the magnetic system that we refer to as Attraxion, and the other half of the installation was done with the traditional glue down.
I'm Leonardo Cordeiro.
My name is Jim Freeman.
My name is Jay Zern.
This product is amazing. Right now they are starting in there. We are done right here for more than around 30 or 40 minutes. We got this floor done before the glue was dry in there.
So the WFCA got involved in this technology because we were concerned about the installation trade. There's a phenomenal shortage of installers. We're going to be about 6,000 short each year for the next 10 years. We had to find a technology that would allow you to install more with less wear and tear on the body so we could extend the career of the existing installer base.
I was really surprised how fast the Attraxion went down. Obviously, we had to put the glue down and wait for the glue to dry. We had to roll the floor at the end. There was no rolling with their floor.
They were very long pieces, so when we were trying to install it, you would have to reach out a long distance. It was kind of fatiguing on our backs as we were doing that install for those first few rows.
This is a product that we see just as easily utilized commercially as residentially. As we were working with MBS and the WFCA, trying to get our arms around the obvious known speed benefit of this system, we wanted to make sure that we could tangibly quantify that for our customers that were going to be selling the product on our behalf, but more importantly for the installers that ultimately are going to be working with this. And what we found was the glue down product took about twice as long as the magnetic installation, which was probably even exceeded our expectations. We knew that it was going to be quick, but I don't think that we knew that it was going to be quite that fast.